Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to show you a full guide on how to change the text size of your messages in Telegram. Are you tired of straining your eyes to read small text or squinting to make out larger text? Well, worry no more. Let's dive right into the steps. Step 1. Open Telegram on your device. You can find the Telegram app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you've located it, go ahead and tap to open. Step 2. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll see 3 stacked lines. This is the menu icon. Tap on it to access the Telegram menu. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings by tapping on it. This will take you to the settings page where you can customize your Telegram experience. Step 4. On the settings page, look for Chat Settings and tap on it. This section allows you to modify various chat-related settings, including the text size. Step 5. Now, you'll see the option Message Text Size. To adjust the text size, slide the cursor or drag the slider until the text size is perfect for your preference. Congratulations, you have successfully changed the message text size in Telegram. Now you can enjoy a more comfortable reading experience. Changing the text size in Telegram is a useful feature, especially for those with visual impairments or who simply prefer larger or smaller text. It's all about customization and making Telegram work for you. We hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with adjusting the message text size in Telegram. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.